good. I'm ready to walk. Are you recording?
Yes. Take them off.
Huh?
Go.
Who's y'all?
Because you was the first one to take off your socks and shoes.
Because I don't want to get my socks dirty.
If you ain't kept them on.
Go. I took my shoes off. Go. I think we're gonna die. Oh, look at there's a bonfire right there. Whoa, it's really good. It's really good. Right here. Light it. It's so far away!
I told you it was hella far. It looks close. That shit monkey.
Huh? I have to go pee. Oh, what do I do? This fucking sand is cold as shit.
I told you it was gonna be cold.
Dude, what if there's a crack?
I know. What if we step on some shit?
That's what I thought too.
Damn, it's so cold it burns.
Exactly. It's so cold it burns. Mom.
What the fuck are we doing on the beach?
Are you recording?
So what's it? Look at the wrestle. Take her shit down.
No.
Take her shit down.
No! Her hair.
That was not funny. That was not funny. That was not funny. Who the fuck did that?
Whoa there.
I didn't do it. I should have done it.
I gotta pee. Dude, I have sand on my back. Dust it off. Dust the sand off.
I got shoes, bitch.
Damn, you got hella sand on this shit.
Oh, you mother flower!
Wow, this shit is hella cold, bruh. There's people over there, look. Look, you see them running? Hell of them. What the fuck you doing right?
I love them.
What the fuck you doing running outside of the pizza? 10 o'clock. Wow, this shit is hella cold. I'm gonna be sick.
We are. My feet are cold.
Running, nigga. I got a headache too.
Watch out. What's
Are you
up?
recording?
Hi. Duh.
Who pushed us?
That nigga Estevan. I'm James.
Oh.
He said I'm James. You
I have
heard
to
him?
go pee.
Oh, I swear to God.
Dude, I almost had to go pee when he pushed us. Oh, I have to go pee.
Go somewhere.
I gotta go pee too here. I gotta pee.
Like,
Hold on.
Yeah, we can pee. Look. Go against the wall. Look.
Dude, I don't. Can we go light this fire? Go give me a napkin. Go give me a napkin.
We ain't gonna light no damn fire.
Is it? Oh! You dropped my phone in the sand. What does that mean?
I know. You don't know.
I don't know, but it's not good.
It gets in my speaker. Can you put your camera?
I said.
Put your